Or the third. I don't know. Like, I think it was my throwing star. Oh, yeah.
Guys, check this shit out. This is Warframe again, and Alex is gaming with Dustin. Yay! Wild Wolf Gaming. Check this out. Dustin's channel is Wild Wolf Gaming 1, and this is Beast. His character is sick nasty.
Was that a grenade?
There he is. Oh. Oh, rank up. That's what's up.
The disco ball of death. That's awesome.
This is the prison block. If you can avoid detection by the warden, it may be easier to get Darmo out. Bypass the security so we can enter.
Whoa. Dude, he like totally jumped over your fucking head.
Yeah.
Rank up.
Where'd he go? Oh, yeah, he's right there.
Taking off on you. His character is literally sick nasty, dude. I love it.
The disco ball of death.
That's amazing.
These hacking things are like awesome.
No longer a rookie. Trophy earned.
Extraction is ready.
You gave him a
Remember,
gun?
the success here depends on getting Dargo out of there alive.
Ah.
I hope he realizes I'm recording this so I can tag him in this shit.
The Lotus must be desperate to send
Ah, he's a
you
dick.
fetching greedy fools from the Acropolis.
That guy is such a dick.
He really is. This game is fucking sick nasty. I love it.
Jarro's health is like 85.
Right? Yours went up.
It did?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, because of the ranking.
Yeah, every time you rank up, your health goes up. I think.
Yeah.
I don't know, you'd have to ask Dustin.
Excalibur is like level 2. And Dustin is, what level are you? Nice.
What level is he?
19.
Sweet. But she is gorgeous as hell. I can't remember. What is she this time? What do you say she is?
Mirage Prime.
Mirage Prime. Yeah.
Ascaris has burrowed deep enough
Gorgeous.
to re-influence. Shall we see how your
He's using an explosive bow.
Nice.
The Ascaris
Rank up.
control your shield. We must figure out how to remove it. Avoid taking damage while I try and block him.
The Mirage is gorgeous.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Where are you going?
Dargo was like all the way back there, which is really weird.
You have to avoid taking damage. Is he making jokes? Little stinker.
Oh no, he gave Dargo a gun, which is like more powerful than anything here.
It's kind of cool how you guys are doing a mission together.
I ain't kidding around. Do your thing.
You can't leave Dargo behind, Tenno. Using your Warframe revive system should get him moving again.
Mouthy.
We can't let Devil die, and time ran out. Oh, thank God.
Oh, thank you. I thought I was a goner. Let's keep moving.
Crotchety little old bastard.
Hey, Darvo. Hey,
Alarms reset.
don't die, don't die, don't die. Okay. Darvo's like...
He's stuck.
He's stuck in like one position. Like he keeps on walking and
He's
stuck.
glitching. He's stuck. Try walking past him, see if he follows you.
Nope.
What the shit? Do you have to get him to the extraction point? Oh no. He's gonna wind up dead.
Okay. Okay.
Why'd it glitch?
So why is Darvo glitching?
So my earbuds have a built-in mic. They're Skull Candies with a built-in mic. So they're hooked up to my PS4 controller. So the guys are talking to each other while playing this game. So that way there's no echo, and that way they can talk and hear each other. I do have to get a headset.
That's badass. Sweet.
That's awesome.
The bow,
Kira
my bow got
Ryanosuke.
rank 3. Excalibur got rank 2.
Nice.
My sword got my Skana, or how do you pronounce it? Yeah, Skana.
I would assume so.
Got rank 4.
It's funny, you see Raven Rose 107, then you see Kira Ryanosuke.
Mod segment now. Ordis will be delighted to show you how to upgrade your arsenal. May I recommend fire?
May I recommend fire? Shut up. It's funny how your ship talks to you, though.
Operator, I've linked the mod segment to your arsenal now.
Ordis?
Yeah.
Is that how you say that?
Upgrade your
That's
Warframe
crazy.
now. Go to the arsenal to see the weapon upgrade options you have.
Yeah, we also got the free booster pack for this game, too, so it's pretty beast.
So we want to
Holy ass.
upgrade the sword somehow.
Operator, there are hundreds of these mods to locate. If my calculations are correct, there are exactly a lot of possibilities.
There's exactly
Before we can
a lot of possibilities. That's great calculation. Ordis, he's so weird.
Yeah, I figured like he's very broken.
Your debts,
Yeah.
and I often pay my debts. I recognize that device. It's a parasitic restraint. We corpus use some.
Yeah, it kinda gets broken.
to keep our robotics in line. So,
Yeah.
to settle my debt, I give you a very expensive blueprint for free because I like you. And well, a lot of my customers don't live long with these career dogs chewing up the system. Here, use your foundry to build a countermeasure device from this blueprint. Good luck.
Mars Ascaris is burrowing into your Warframe. I'm worried it will affect your mind. I can't lose you, Tenno. We must restore the ship's foundry immediately. A nearby ore extraction colony will have the foundry technology you need. I am certain they will share it with you. Its location has been added to your navigation console.
Your navigation console.
Space Mom.
Okay, well, pick stuff. Get going.
Ah, gotcha.
What'd he say?
Yeah, the woman they're just speaking, like she literally cannot have children at all.
That sucks ass. Oh, so he's pretty much helping tell you the story, in a way. Like about the characters and shit. Is that what he's doing?
So I'm trying to put mods on my sword and it's not working. Do I go to the arsenal to check that, or?
So my Tenno is an Excalibur.
Okay, and then I'm trying to.
Gorgeous as fuck.
I'm trying to upgrade my sword.
Should have to hit
Okay,
triangle to
hit
upgrade.
upgrade. And then hit mods. Right now the max is 3. Oh, that's right. Yeah, because it shows 2, 2, 4.
2, 4, and 2. I see. Okay. Oh, alright. I think I caught on.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, because there's a little symbol that looks like a Y or a V.
Okay guys, I'm going to leave this vid here. You get to see a little bit of more gameplay of Warframe,
Gotcha.
and you also get to see Wild Wolf Gaming playing Warframe with us. And there's my boy Alex, who's helping out with the gameplay. But there you go. There's some more Warframe, and I will upload some more, hopefully tomorrow. I love each and every one of you guys.
Yeah, I just tried
Bye.
putting a mod right with